Your question is, if you could box anyone or any group of people in the world, who would it be and why?
So this is anyone. No?
Anyone.
Okay, the question was, if I could box anyone or any group of people in the world, who would it be and why? I was just explaining this to a group of people earlier, but there's a large group of people that all eventually stole a bunch of stuff from me recently. And now I wouldn't want to box them all at the same time, but if I could have a one-on-one with each one of them, and maybe I should explain the background before I do this. I was recently at a gas station in Lafayette. I got my keys locked in my car. I tried to get them out without pop locking. This required my friend to come give me the spare key. So I'm stuck at this really bad gas station for 2 hours. And right around the 2-hour mark, a big group of guys walk up to me and eventually break into my car and steal around $3,000 worth of stuff. And this was laptop, iPad, iPhone, hard drive, wallet, $100 cash, and a brand new Glock 40 cal, which I wish I had on me at the time. I didn't. But anyways, I think I would severely hurt them in a boxing match if it came down to it today, and for good reasons. I might not win, because some of them are pretty big, and I'm not that big of a guy, I guess, but I would let out some rage on the little one, you know? Yeah, if I could box anyone, that would be it. I'm not going to say I want to box a celebrity because I have more rage for this group of people than them. So, are there any questions?
Did you notify the authorities whenever you were being robbed? Or after?
After, yes, I did. And I made sure to get the serial number of the gun in case they go and shoot somebody. They wouldn't come back to me. Any other questions?
Would you be game for maybe drugging some of the bigger guys in boxing?
Okay, the question was, would I want to drug some of the bigger guys to maybe have a fair fight? Yeah, maybe if I had a weapon. That's not really boxing though. It's more of just
Boxing well on that.
Would you let Herman help box the guys?
Yeah, I would. Wait, the question was, would I let Herman box a couple of the guys for me? And yes, the answer is yes, I would. Maybe we could do some tag teams.